Hi everybody, today we're here at New Bethel Missionary Baptist Church. We're going back to school. So everybody's getting their little treats for back to school with these youngsters going, I believe in 2 weeks, going back to school.
Good afternoon. My name is Sanja Philpart. I am a member of New Bethel Missionary Baptist Church here in the city of West Palm Beach. And today's health fair and back to school book bag giveaway here at this table, CHP, which is Centers for Health Promotions, is doing blood pressures and diabetes screening. And as you know, in the African American community, we have high blood pressure and we suffer with diabetes. So we want everyone to come out and get their blood pressures and their diabetes checked so that they can become more healthier.
Hello, my name is Nyota and I am with FAMU Extension. We have a partnership with the city of West Palm Beach. We have 2 local community gardens where we focus on agriculture and nutritional workshops. Here today, we are giving away seeds that we harvested from our garden to encourage the community to grow their own garden.
Hi, my name is Alexis Weiner. I am the Vice President of the Urban League of Palm Beach County Young Professionals. And we are here at New Bethel Church today to support the Urban League and also support the back to school drive. So we are here to share information about the youth and education workshops that we have over at the Urban League, as well as their home buyers workshop and financial literacy courses. And we're also here to promote our young professionals group. So any young professionals in Palm Beach County that are looking to get engaged in the community, come out and join us at the Urban League and get involved.
Hello, I'm Jeanette Eagle and I'm a member here at New Bethel, and we're trying to recruit girls for Girl Scouting. This is it was dear to my heart. Yes, I just love it, and I was a Girl Scout. Brought my daughter up. She even went to the seniors, and we want the neighborhood to be aware that we're here, and we want the children to come and be a member of the Girl Scouts to help us in the neighborhood and in the USA, because Girl Scouts are USA. We thank you for your presence here today, those that came and signed up. I'm going to follow up, and hopefully we will start our meetings later this month. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kaylani. I'm with FAU NCHA Community Health Center. We are right on the corner of Division and 8th, and today we are here providing appointments for school physicals and for vaccines back to school, immunizations that kids will need so they can be prepared and ready for school.